Hello and welcome to subtraction questions. These are between 3 and 5 to 6 digits long. And you've got some various mental arithmetic exercises here to do. So you've got 45,622 and we are subtracting 568 from the total. Now we can't take 8 from 2, we can't take 6 from 2, we can't, because the top number is too small, so we need to increase the size of these numbers. So let's go to the left here, 6, cancel that, turn it into 4, borrow the 1 there to turn it into 12, but again, we need to borrow another number for the 2 on the right. So let's just make that 11 and borrow the 1 there to make 12. So 12 take away 8 is 4. 11 take away 6 is 5. 5 take away 5 is 0. And then we have 5 and 4 that we're just going to add straight at the end. So in this case, our answer is 45,054. So just make sure that the bigger numbers, if they're not completely, totally big numbers, then do move the ones across to make them bigger at the top so that subtraction becomes smooth when it comes to answering the question. Okay, good luck with this exercise, and we'll follow these up in our next class. Thank you.